like I said last week, I have found out that they Wet n Wild came out with their newest collection, and it's called Coffee Cat and Ice Cream Bee. I don't know what that is, but it's two eyeshadow palettes and six lip glosses that match the names. Like uh, the coffee ones have coffee names. It's scented like coffee, and then you have the ice cream one, and it's got the glosses have ice cream names. So I don't know. It's scented like ice cream. I think it said it's scented. So that came out, and plus, if you order it, you get a free cat headband. So and then I think $35 gives you free. Oh no, well now they got it down to $10 gives you free shipping, but it came out to exactly 35, and so I ordered that, and it got shipped out within. I think I ordered it. Was it Tuesday? And it came, and it got shipped out by Friday. But of course, it's the label has been made. I'm hoping it gets shipped out by today. So that's Wet n Wild. And then I was searching for Fantasy Makers Halloween, and I put in. That's what I put in, Fantasy Makers Halloween 2020, because when you put in Fantasy Makers, you get the summer neon collection. So I just did some research, and up popped, and I don't know how to get to it through the Wet n Wild website, but it looks like they're preparing for it, because what popped up was a Wet n Wild saying mermaid is the trend, and then it's got all the mermaid looks over the years that they've done, and so let's see what happens with that. But I don't know what's going to happen with last year. I thought they were just going to have the same old colors, and they surprised us with new colors. So I don't know if they're going to have the same colors from last year or do new colors. But it looks like they're preparing for it, because there is an article on the Wet n Wild website. And again, I can't find it through the website. I just did a Google search, and they were saying, Fantasy Makers Halloween 2020, mermaid trends. So it said 2020. So let's see what happens with that. I do know that actually yesterday when I went to do my groceries at HEB, my friend told me that she did get in the Fantasy Makers, but she's not allowed to put it out till tomorrow, the 1st, and that was yesterday. She said the 1st. So there is gonna be something. Maybe I'll just pass by tomorrow and see what they got. Anyway, so that's the story with that. I do know that I've been getting several emails about the coffee and ice cream collection, and it could be that people don't trust them anymore. They did say that it would be at the Ulta website. They did say it would be at the Ulta website, but so my hand it's just hurting. But they said the 30th. I thought it was supposed to be the 31st. So I checked. I didn't check yesterday, but I've been checking like throughout the whole week. And last night I just saw one thing, which was the free headband. And I was like, did this come out today and I just missed it or something? And then when I tried clicking on the free headband, it said this is not available. So I don't know if it did come out yesterday. And it got sold out in a day. I don't know, but I was thinking of waiting for Ulta, but I was just like, let's just see what happens. I took my chances, and it got shipped out within 3 days from Wet n Wild. So this Sanrio thing that happened. But anyway, so I'm pretty sure it'll get picked up today, and probably have a label it'll probably start moving between tomorrow and Wednesday, and I'll probably have it by the end of the week. But yeah, so that's the news for that.